Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I want to show you this right here. I made, get my finger in place, 2.5 kilowatts today. Only because somebody told me what to do. I'm at 24.4 volts on the battery bank. I'm still supplying the bedroom, the grow room, the refrigerator, off-grid. Wow. Southeast Solar Haven. Thank you for the information. Holy smokes. That hasn't been changed out yet. Since the charge light don't come on, I'm not sure if it's working, the light is out, or there's a malfunction somewhere. But that's going to disappear soon until I figure it out. The green one over there from Southern Ohio, Solar Homestead, he gave that to me. It is MPPT controller. I just don't have a shelf to put it on. There's no mounting brackets. So that's going to go over there. Or this one from Solar System 2 will go over there. I'll figure it out. Or I'm going to run the solar array from those 120 watts over to this side. That's fine. As long as the refrigerator runs off the Ames, we're good to go. I've heard some bad things about the Jupiter from Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight stuff is not the best. And by the way, if you go to eBay, you can get all that stuff for half price. Half price on all that stuff. Don't go to Harbor Freight, go to eBay. Same stuff, same products, same manufacturers. Half the price. You might have to wait a day, two. You might have to wait a week or two. But once you get all the products in, one piece at a time, one thing at a time, and you get it all hooked up. I've been doing this for 10 years. I'm just now going to a more professional level, 10 and a half years later. So, get your magic on, do what you gotta do, and maybe you'll get someone out there that'll donate all these batteries to you, because he is so awesome. Southern Ohio, Solar Homestead. We appreciate you on this channel. Everybody go over there and join his channel, subscribe and click that bell. And have a nice solar battery day.